Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful earring. Everything needed to make this earring is listed in this video. Without further ado, let's dive to the tutorial. These are the things needed for this earring. Your fabric, your leather piece. This is a carpet. You can use anything. You can use carton too, but it's advisable to use something light. Then your eyelet tool. All these things are not expensive online. You can get it in Temu, you can get it in AliExpress, If you don't know the name to call it, you just short screen it and you look for it online. Then I have my highlights, I have my earring accessories, earring findings, and I have my ring. Then I have my paper, hammer, and this. You can use nail for this. Anything that is pointy, just to punch the paper. You making your pattern first before making this earring is very important, because your pattern will be very useful to cut the leather piece. It will be useful to cut your fabric, you understand? So let's dive into it, guys. So to draw my circumference, this is how I will do it. I want my earring to be wide 3 inches. Then I will mark here 3 inches. Then the middle of 3 inches is 1.5, but I will fold this tape. Then I will mark the middle. Okay. Then from this middle now, from this same middle, I'll mark 1/2 inch. When I fold this 1/2 inch here, it will give me 1 inch. You will see what I mean after marking it. So first, I will put my tape in this. Let me first mark this 1 inch. Then I'll put my tape in this place, in that middle. Then I will nail it. Then I will do my first circumference. So when you measure the circumference now, it's 1 inch. You see, 1 inch. I will put it in the same hole. This hole, you see this hole here, you should be seeing the mark through this hole. You should be seeing the mark through this hole. So I'll put this here. Then I will nail it in that same middle. In that same middle, I will nail it. Then I will do another circumference. You see? Then after cutting it, I have a donut. You see, if you want to do yours bigger, you can, but make sure this middle here is not so wide. You see, this place is giving me 3 inches and this place is giving me 1 inch. I'll place it on top here. Then I will use sellotape to hold it. Then I will mark it around. So after cutting this with the pattern, you cannot use this to cut the fabric. And I will show you how to do that. Then I will mark the middle like so. You see? Then I will add allowance outside like this, 1/2 inch for sewing allowance around it. This one I just marked out now. I will cut 8 of it. These are the pieces of the fabric I marked out from this pattern, donuts. Then I will cut it. After cutting it, I will take it to the sewing machine and I will sew this middle that I marked out. I will sew it. I will sew all the middle. So you fold this in half like this. Then you notch the middle. After notching the middle, then you pass the scissors through and notch it around in the middle. You notch it around and be careful not to touch the thread, not to cut the thread. You notch it around. Then after notching it around, you take this like this, then you pass it through the middle. You pass it through the middle and turn it to the right side. You see? Then after turning it, I will iron it flat. After ironing it, you see the way it looks like there's a hole in the middle. After turning it, I'll put this one inside just to remark it. Then I will mark it again. Then I'll bring it out. Then what I will do next, you see, this place is opened like this. I will use this place to, I will put this one. You see the way I opened it? Like this. I will hide this one inside, then I'll bring this one outside. This is how I will sew it. Okay, let's just go to the sewing machine so I show you how to do it. Just take a look as I'm going to sew this. So, as I'm sewing, I'm drawing out the fabric, you see. The way I showed you before, you sandwich the fabric inside. Then you start to sew. I will draw it, then I will sew. Then I will turn it to the right side. Then I will cut here open, because you need to cut here open to be able to pass it through the fabric. Then I'll pass it through. So I'll fold this one in like this. I'll fold it in. Then I'll fold this side in. Then I will sew this opening hidden stitch. You know how hidden stitch is? The thread will not show. It's like you sewed it on a sewing machine, okay? And this is the other one. So what I will do now, I will take it to the sewing machine and I will sew the edge of the material I put inside. I will sew it down with the fabric. Then I will sew this side with the fabric. Then I will cut the middle. So after sewing it, the place I sew is where the leather inside is separated. I sew on top of the leather this way, and I sew on top of the leather this way. So I will cut the middle. This is because I don't want the leather to come out after when I separate it. You understand? That is why I sew it to block it. Okay, I opened it like this. Then I will take this. Then I will pass it through. You see? I will first stitch one side with needle. Then I will open this place and put gum. I've closed this place, but this place is still open. I'll just put gum in the middle. like so. Then I will hold it for a while. So this place I gummed is dried now. So what I will do, I will shift it in a bit to hide this place. Then I will use this punching tool to punch a hole here. I'll use punching tool to punch hole here. So I've punched this place. Then I'll put my eyelets. I'll put my eyelets. Then I'll put it here. Then I'll put this one to block it at the back. Then I'll use my eyelet tool. So I'll first pass this ring through. Then I will open this ring. Then I will pass it through this ring. Then I'll pass it through this earring. I'll close here. Then I will open the ring in the down. Then I'll pass it through this ring. Then I'll close it. And this is my earring. And this is the other one. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comment below what you want me to make for you next in this channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.